The Market Monitor provides quick access to market updates and is customizable so you can easily review updates to your specific market area. The Market Monitor is located on the homepage of Paragon Professional. It displays new listings, price changes, the hot list, back on market, under contract, closed, leased, expired and terminated, and upcoming tours and open houses for the market. Plus, you have quick access to your own inventory and your office inventory. If you are part of a larger firm, you can view the inventory across the firm, and if you're part of a team, you can see that inventory as well. The default setting for the Market tab is the entire Prime MLS service area, which includes New Hampshire, Vermont, Maine, and Massachusetts, plus we accept listings across all of New England and New York. It's likely that you'll want to narrow down this view to your specific market area. To make changes, tap the gear icon in the top right corner. Start by narrowing down the class. If you tend to work across all classes, you can leave this blank. Otherwise, type the classes you focus on most. Type will further narrow down your class selection. A good rule of thumb is less is more. Narrowing this down too much will lead to less updates being viewed. Next, you can narrow it down by location. Starting with state is a good idea since we are a multi-state MLS. And don't forget, there are many same-named cities in New England. For example, if you enter just Manchester and hit save, you'll see updates for Manchester, New Hampshire and Manchester, Vermont. By entering the state, you narrow down your county and city selections based on the selected state. You may wish to view entire counties or narrow it down by city. If you enter multiple counties and then just one city, you are restricting your view down to just that city. The system can't decipher that you want just one city from one county and then all cities from the rest. You'll also notice village, district, locale. Once again, less is more. If you enter a city and also the village, you're telling the system you want to see only updates for that village. By entering the city, you will automatically see the updates for the village, so there's really no need to enter the village. Next, you can update the default section. This is set to market, meaning that every time you view the homepage, the market updates will display. You can switch it to one of the other tabs if you wish. Lastly, you can set the days back. This is set to 0 by default, which is today's updates. This can be set up to 7 days back. Once you've made your customizations, tap Save. The Market Monitor will update according to the changes you've made. To review the data, tap a number, and a spreadsheet view opens to review those updates. You can tap Refresh to update throughout your time in the system, and you can update the days back manually anywhere from 0 to 30 days back. So while the default max is at 7, you can go up to 30 days back to review updates. Note that some will show looking ahead based on the number you input here. For example, tours and open houses. You wouldn't want to look back on what you missed, but rather what's coming up. So by entering 7 in the days back field, you'll see tours and open houses scheduled over the next 7 days. The same goes for Expire Alert on My Info, Office, and Firm tabs. This will show you the expiring listings coming up. Lastly, listings on these same tabs is not affected by the days back you enter. This is a quick access to your full inventory as well as the office and firm inventories. Now your Market Monitor is set to show you the updates for your particular focus area. Thanks for watching. For more tutorials, please visit the Prime MLS Help Desk.